Okay, so this delicious, simple dessert only requires, let's see, was there 6 ingredients? So you have, of course, your cake mix. I chose Duncan Hines. You can use whichever one. And your whipped or just the regular icing. I chose vanilla. You can use cream cheese or even strawberry if you're just a strawberry, fanatic like that. I wanted to use the vanilla. And then we have the wafers. I just got those from Dollar General. You have the golden Oreos. Make sure you don't get the lemon ones. I almost picked up lemon because they're both in the yellow package. But make sure you get the golden Oreos, some fresh strawberries, and also some sliced strawberries to gotta go in the middle. And you'll see that as I put it together. You can also use syrup, the strawberry syrup, when I use these strawberries at that point if you want to, or you can leave them out. I mean, it's just really up to you. But let's get started on putting this together. So our cake is done. And I have made our crunch, which of course is just the Oreos and the strawberry wafers. I put them in my blender on the chop mode. And that's what I got. I did have to take it off and shake it a little bit. So I still have some chunks, but I think that's going to actually be really good. So this is how I cut my bread. Of course, I cut my piece of cake. And I went in the middle and I cut like that. And you can take the top off if you want to, but you don't have to. So then I just kind of flip that one over. Took my cup. Put it on there. Push down. Get your piece. I had to get a knife to kind of get it out. So that's one of my pieces. All right. So we're back with all the ingredients, and I have my mason jar. You don't have to use a mason jar. You can use like a clear cup, whatever kind of cup, a bowl, whatever fits your liking. We are going to start with a piece of the cake, as you saw how I made these. So it just should fit perfectly down in here, or a little bit of room because the top, of course, is more narrow than the actual jar. I put my icing in a Ziploc bag. You may have the other things to put it in, or you may just want to spoon it in, but this is how I chose to do it. So we're going to put some down in there. It just goes like that. There's some icing. And then we're going to put some of our crunch. I'm going to use a spoon. Crunch. And then some of our strawberries. These are the freshly fresh strawberries and sugar. All right, and then we're going to just keep layering it like that. So here I go again with another piece of cake. And you can make your pieces of cake bigger. Again, it's to your liking. More icing. More crunch. More strawberries. Try to get some good juice on each side. Going again with the cake. Icing. Crunch. Right here I'm just going to put strawberry juice. Try not to get any of the strawberries. I just want the juice to go down my cup. And then what I'm going to do is take one of my strawberries that I cut and kind of place it right on the top. So of course, not for presentation, just for enjoyment, but hey, it looks pretty good to me. And we're gonna let Tyson taste it and let us know, and we'll be back. Okay, Tyson's gonna take a bite of the strawberry crunch and let me know.
It's good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Dang, that was a big bite.